Right, I just want to show you my setup making 40mm catapult ammo. I'm using this double burner, which you can get on eBay or any camping website and things like that. It's quite cheap. I got mine for free. I'm giving it. I've got these cauldrons, which are pretty good for melting a lot of lead down. If you've got a lot of lead, that is very handy to melt down with. Obviously they're attached to a gas bottle. My Milbro Pro Shot ammo maker. That's one of my best buys. I love that. It makes it so easy to make. It's 4 for 14mm balls these are. Basically a good trick to stop them from being disformed like that when they come out is to get this very hot. This is what I use this little gas gun for. Just whirl it in there. So it's nice and hot. And all you've got to do is just grab some loose. And basically what I do, I put it into a clamp. It just helps keep it shut. Because it doesn't shut all the way. But some people use elastic bands, things like that. And then you open it up. And you should have... Oh look, that's fucked up, isn't it? Fuck's sake. Okay, I didn't give it enough heat. The more heat you give it, the better. But that's what happens if you don't give it enough heat. Same with that. Total ball missing there, unless it fell out, unless it's that one shitty one there. But we'll do that again. I'll give it a little bit more heat this time. But as you can see, it makes them so easy, so quickly. Simple little pour in. But I think you can still buy these from Milbro. Well, milbroproshot.co.uk. Really good buy. Right, we'll give it another go. Keep getting a little bit more hot. Never bother cleaning out the lead, getting all the crap off the top. It don't fucking make a difference. You're only making lead balls to shoot either target practice or hunting. It don't make a difference at all if you've got a bit of crap on the top. By the time they come through, they're perfect. Alright, we'll check this out. Oh, that's more like it. Definitely. There you go. 10 good balls. I do actually have glove here. Makes life easier. The only problem you do get with these, if you can see that or not. No, right. There's a lot of wastage. If I am showing you, yeah. All of that. It's a lot of lead wasted. Yeah, you can put it back in the pot, but it's forever ending. I've gone through all of this, and then I've still got half a pot left. That's my little setup anyway. I hope you like it. But to get perfect balls every time, just heat this up. And also I'd recommend, if you do get one of these, get a clamp as well. Just there you go, that's it, just tighten that up good. I hope you enjoyed, thanks.